Welcome to Pragmatic. Today we will see about the bulk cancelling feature. First I create a new manufacturing order. It's a predefined bill of materials and everything. Just to create it, automatically work orders, everything is created. Save and confirm. Once I confirm and plan accordingly and produce all. This is the Odoo default process. So now it's completed. So once it's done, automatically the moves history will be updated here. So you see all the stocks are moving to virtual location production and the main product from the virtual production to WHS stock. Okay. So now you see and automatically the work orders will be created. So the work orders will be updated and the journal entries also created accordingly. Okay. So okay, I created another manufacturing order like the same way. I duplicate it, and I need to confirm, plan, produce all. Now the two manufacturing orders are created. You see 5 and 6 two manufacturing orders are created. The moves history also created accordingly. Okay. So the 5 and 6, okay, stock moves are added and the work orders also created like this. You're able to see the work orders also created and the journal entries also created. So now everything is automated, journal entries, work orders, and most history, everything is updated. So these are up to this level, it's a Odoo default flow. So in our app, in the bulk cancellation app, you are able to cancel n number of manufacturing orders. That should be state should be done. So if you select multiple manufacturing orders like this, and if you click the action bulk cancel MO, then what happens? System should ask, are you sure you want to cancel the selected manufacturing orders? Yes. If you cancel MOs, then what happened? Automatically the information will become the manufacturing orders are cancelled. This is the manufacturing order. You see these manufacturing orders are cancelled. Okay. Once you cancel, then what happened? The moves history also created accordingly, the updated accordingly. You see the existing the manufacturing orders whatever we created 5 and 6 all the things are cancelled. You see all the items are cancelled and create a new manufacturing, create a new stock move lines accordingly. You see done stage, it's a reverse action. So before what happened in the sugar WH stock to virtual location production, now each and everything it will be moved from virtual production to WH stock. Okay, here you see the particular virtual location product WHS. This is the main product. It will be the same thing. It will be updated accordingly. So now it's a WHS stock to virtual location production. It's a reverse. Everything is reversed. So this is the moves history. And automatically, if you see the work orders, all are cancelled and the journal entries now you see 11 whatever the journal entries as per once you cancel the MO automatically it will be deleted here. Okay, this is the bulk cancelling option. It will be more useful for the manufacturing industry because they are creating the manufacturing orders wrongly. They are also produce it, but it's the current in Odoo process we are not able to cancel it. So using this bulk cancelling we are easily reverse each and everything and it will be easy to manage.